Hello and welcome to another video. Today we were going to be removing the multifunction display from a Renault Koleos H45. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to show your support. Starting off, we'll need to remove the trim surround. I'd recommend using a plastic tool just so you don't damage the dash of the vehicle. I use a metal tool but I recommend plastic. It's only held on by clips. You'll need to pull the trim surround upwards towards the roof, not forwards or backwards, and that's how you remove the surround. As you can see, it comes upwards, and putting it back on is sliding it down and putting it into place. Next, there's 3 Phillips screws, 2 at the front and 1 at the back of this top cover. Once this cover is off, there will also be another 2 Phillips screws which hold the screen or the display in place. So you can see the 2 Phillips screws for the display. One is that one is this one over here. Once these are off, the screen will come out of place. Just pull it upwards and you will need to unplug the cables. And unplugging the cables is by pressing onto the clips. So press onto the clips, the top part over there, and pull. Same as this one. You press and then pull. And it's the same idea for all of the clips. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.